So it's about 5 p.m. in the evening and I'm heading towards IKEA. Yes, you're on the right. It's Bangalore IKEA. So it's Nagasanga. For me to reach there, it's gonna take an hour. So that's where I'm heading. And IKEA apparently there's a sale going on, and I have so many things that I need to buy for my apartment, baby. Because I only have the basic pieces. I am yet to do the decor. I am yet to do the dining and everything. So I just wanted to go and check what all is there. So once I get there, I'll show you guys what all is happening and what in IKEA and whether it's worth the hype or not. Alright guys, I just made it to IKEA, which is this. Although I took an auto, but I see a metro station right besides IKEA. I think this is the purple or green line. I don't know which one it is. So if you guys don't wanna take the auto, you guys can definitely take the metro as well. The place looks pretty big and excited. Alright, so that is the entrance. That is where I came from, and this seems to be the line where they make people stand in line in the morning, I guess. But that is the entrance, and for now it's very less people, so I'm kind of lucky. So I'll just get inside now. This place is massive. It's like a bulbulaya. So it takes time to like look for what is where, and also if you guys get hungry when you're like looking around and shopping, then they also have a small cafeteria kind of space where you can like get food and drinks. So if you're here, you're sorted. I can spend an entire day here. I wouldn't mind.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Alright, so the first and second floor are the showroom space, and if you need to pick up something, you need to get the numbers and you need to pick it from the market shelf. Market hall area, which is downstairs on the ground floor, so that's where I'm heading. Alright, so once you select the products and get the numbers or the products that you want, you need to come down to the self-service area if you want to take away the products the day itself, and you're going to remember the rack number and location, which is this. You'll find the exact same thing on the product that has been displayed on you, so make sure you guys take a picture and note down the numbers, so that's easier for you to come here and take the product. Otherwise it's gonna get pretty hectic because it's huge. So yeah, I'm here to pick up the dining set and maybe the table as well, and I'm gonna move on to the billing counter. So yeah man, like it's very exciting, but if you don't have patience, it's very irritating also in IKEA. If you do not like getting lost again and again trying to find the place and product, ordering online would be a better option. So up there you can see the rack numbers, and I'll have to see the location. So tired. This freaking desk is so big I can't even move by myself. This damn thing is taller than me. It's so difficult to move it from the rack. Shopping at IKEA is a task. Like a task. Also, one more heads up, if you are a Geo user, the network is shit at IKEA. Alright, so for fragile items, if you don't get the boxes, you have this wrapping center. That is everything I got. So in case you need to exchange something, they have a return and exchange counter here, collection point here if you want to send your products for delivery. This is the lounge space where you can just chill once you're done. Alright, this is exhausting. Now I'm gonna like get a porter and take things home. Alright guys, so this is the next day of the day I went to IKEA and I picked up a few things, starting off with this wall clock right here. It's a very plain, simple white wall clock and it's all plastic. Even this glass thing is also plastic, not glass. So yeah, and doesn't have a second hand. That is, I just realized that. So that's the first thing, and I got two of this for the living room and the bedroom. So yeah, and this retails for ₹223 and I think I paid, wait, 216 for each. In case you guys want to purchase the products that I'm showing, these have codes instead of names, so I'll try to put those up in the description if I'm not lazy, or I'm just gonna tell you right here. So the IKEA's bill is so annoying, like so damn annoying. You cannot just, they don't have names of the product, they have like codes of the products, and it gets very irritating to remember the names and blah blah blah. So I'm just gonna put up the prices. So yeah, next up is this vase. This is like very cool shaped crystal clear glass vase. I got it for flowers and I paid around wait. So in some of their products, IKEA does not have they haven't labeled the prices on them, so only the prices are only mentioned in the rack. So sometimes it gets irritating to know what price is the product, okay? So yeah, and this is one of them, so it doesn't have a price on it. So I believe it was like around or under 500, nothing more than that. So yeah, okay, and the product code is 803.429.76, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's that. Another thing is this lamp. Now this is a very famous lamp that everybody is buying off of IKEA because it's nice looking, it's cheap, and I paid $399. So this lamp was for $399, although it was priced 500 something, but on the sale and with discount it is $399. And everything, all the body, the stand, this thing is plastic, and it does not come with the bulb, so you guys have to buy the bulb, and छोटा वाला bulb जाएगा यहाँ पे. So yeah, soap dispensers. When I checked it on the website, I thought these were plastic because these are just for $59 each. Like $59, come on, that's so cheap. But when I picked it up at the store, this was made out of glass and I was so happy. So I got two of these. Code is 703.223.04. So the product code for the wall clock is 604.542.91. The next up is not very interesting but very essential for the house. It's the tool kit, and this was for $599 or so. This entire set comes with a hammer, comes with this thing, I don't know what it's called, different heads of the screwdriver. This is the screwdriver handle, this is the pliers, and this thing is the cap for your hammer. Next up I have this floor cushion. Now this thing is like really comfortable to sit on, and this comes with variety of colors. There were like hot pink, they were like yellow, mustard yellow, they were like blue, red, and all of the shades. Wait, so yeah, although I think this is like bit costly because it costs 799 rupees, and if you are gonna buy cushions outside, you're gonna get two cushions in the same price easily. But maybe it's because of the quality of the like cloth for this cover, or maybe it's gonna it's sturdier, so we'll see that in time. But yeah, this is another purchase, and this was for $799. Obviously picked up gray, keeping with the theme of the house. and its code is 704.158.45. Candles, now these are unscented candles. These are just block candles, and it's gonna look very pretty if you have ornaments or if you have like candle holders. It's just gonna like light up, you know, for the mood. It's gonna be pretty, and it was just 199 rupees for 4, and that's a huge as size candles. 001.761.17. I don't even know if these codes are gonna help you all, but yeah, just in case. So I picked up a few furnitures, and I got a two-seater dining table set and a desk wall on top. I'm gonna like put a b-roll of those things for you guys because I haven't like unpacked them and assembled them. So I'm just gonna show you the final product. Whenever you buy furniture from IKEA, suppose tables, the table frame is different and the body of the table is different. So you're gonna have to pick up 2 things if you're buying a table, if that's making sense. So yeah, on tabletop and the table frame is gonna cost differently, but the prices and codes will all be written. You just have to figure out a little bit. The people are gonna help you at IKEA. If you're buying online, that's good, but make sure that you're putting 2 things in the cart and not just a tabletop, because you never know with IKEA, right? Dining table set ka frame and the tabletop costs around 2600 or 2800. The desk that I got, it was around 4600 something. Moving on, next I have this folding chair. This is the chair that I got for the dining. This is a black colored folding chair, and I think this model name is Nisi. So yeah, and it was for 999 for 1 piece, and the code for it is 301.622.08. Alright guys, I think that's about it. Oh, one more thing, wait. Alright, I got the cutest phone holder. I don't know if it's a phone holder or a soap holder, I don't know why, but I'm using it as a phone holder, and that is where I had my phone on right now for this haul. So yeah, this is a wire phone holder in chair shaped. How cute is that? And this was over 129 bucks or so. Alright, so that is everything I got from IKEA. Few tips when you're going to IKEA: make sure you guys have plenty of time and you guys eat something, because IKEA is huge, like huge. Make sure you're wearing your mask because there are going to be a lot of people, and cases in Bangalore are like rising, so be careful with that. And if you're buying something, there are 2 things you can do. You can take things along with you. In case of furniture I'm talking, okay? In case you're buying any furniture, you can take away the furniture with yourself. For that, you will have to manage your own transport. You will have to book a porter or something up until your place. But if you guys want IKEA to deliver your products, then they're gonna charge you extra for delivery, but they're gonna deliver the products to you the next day. So those 2 things you can do if you're buying furniture. What I did is I got them the same day itself, because I booked porter up until my place, and it's kind of convenient, you know. And that was also like a bit cheaper as well, because IKEA charges according to the kilograms for delivery, and if you're buying a lot of furniture, then you're gonna end up paying a lot. But if you're like booking your own porter, which is an app for it's like movers and packers thing, the only difference is porter is just a small Tata truck, auto truck, those things where you have to load your things by yourselves and unload your things by yourself. So that is what I did for the furniture that I bought. And if it's like small things like lamps, showpieces, vase, candles, everything, you can obviously get bags, and it's like shopping from any other mart. My experience in IKEA was nice, although I find IKEA is good for furnitures. When it comes to showpieces and stuff like that, I think D-Mart, not showpieces, like kitchen stuff and all, I think D-Mart and other hypermarts in Bangalore will give you better offers. And showpieces also, like, you know, it was not very nice and very like steal deal wala kuch tha nahi. So yeah, for furnitures, IKEA is good. For rest, I think I'd like go to other places like D-Marts and stuff. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay creative and stay curious.